The pictures that came out from last evening were disturbing to say the least. A little after 9 p.m, all hell broke loose in Bengaluru's KG Halli. And let me go across straight to the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, who's joining us on the broadcast as we get you those pictures of the Bengaluru conspiracy and ask the government some straight questions on who's responsible. Dr. Ashwath Narayan, who's the Deputy Chief Minister, live with us tonight on Republic. Dr. Ashwath Narayan, we saw the pictures, we read the posts, and we have little doubt that this was a pre-planned conspiracy. 3 attacks simultaneously at 3 different locations. I think it's there are too many coincidences.
Basically, this incident has triggered from the, so far what we are hearing is because of the Facebook post. Taking advantage of this, one of the political party tried to, organize themselves, create a law and order problem, and damage a public property, take people life, and they wanted to even burn down the police station. And they were blocking entire the routes leading to the police station. They wanted to ensure that none of the police battalion will be able to reach the police station or the locality where there's a disturbance. Basically, they tried to, very well organizedly, they wanted to create law and order problem, take the life and properties of the people, destroy the entire locality by burning it down or, taking the life of the people. This was their basic intention in the backdrop of this Facebook. And the worker or the person, Mr. Naveen, is a Congress worker, and he's in the Congress party, and he's an active worker.
No, 1 second, are you
belongs to Congress party.
Direct Congress role?
Somehow the Congress party.
Mr. Ashwath Narayan, are you alleging direct Congress role in the riots? Or is that what you found out?
See, sir, the party worker, they were climbing. Sir, from his own official post, his personal post, I am showing this. He is a Congress worker, and the person whom they climbed, by particularly few individuals who have climbed, who has posted the Facebook post is Mr. Naveen, is a Congress worker. Now, along with this, the SDPI took the advantage of this situation. They wanted to create a law and order problem. They wanted to disturb the harmony. They wanted to, create all kind of problems. So this was the basic intention. They wanted to take everything law into the hand, create all kind of problem. And immediately, the police were able to act immediately. The government responded immediately, ensured nothing goes off the hand. We were able to take a strong action against this arsonist or the people who are trying to initiate the communal disturbance.
What about the role of the SDPI? We saw the SDPI leader speaking outside the police station, and we also believe that he's been arrested.
Yes.
SDPI directly responsible, Mr. Ashwath Narayan?
Definitely, if you see some of the people who have been arrested, they belong to SDPI. One of the prominent person, the only one person who was elected as a corporator from Bangalore city, he's a main man, he's the main accused man in this entire rioting or the communal disturbance who was trying to create take the law into hand. The main person accused is a SDPI corporator. He's been accused in this episode, and he belongs to SDPI. SDPI as a party and is a frontal organization like PFI, many more organizations which belongs to SDPI. They were the people who were trying to create the complete disturbance. They took law into the hand. They wanted to create the fear. They were not, trying to listen to anybody.
There is a demand from one MP.
The party which is involved in this entire.
Mr. Ashwath Narayan, there is a demand from some party workers, some BJP parliamentarians as well, to repeat what happened in Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka to make the rioters pay for the damage. And we saw the kind of damage. Hundreds of vehicles damaged, many set ablaze, or rather most set ablaze. Will your government consider that? Will you make these rioters pay for the damage?
Even the present law, it provides for the recovery of the damages from the people who are responsible for damaging the public property as well as the private property. We can recover from the people who are responsible, who have caused the damages. We'll be recovering from them, we'll be taking action against them. We are going to show them that even in the dreams, they can't think of, taking law into the hand. It will be a lesson being taught to them so that they don't repeat in the state of Karnataka. Let it be any part of the Karnataka. We are going to take a very strong action. We'll hunt for those people who are responsible. We'll catch hold of them. We'll ensure they'll be punished.
How is it so easy to organize such a riot, Mr. Ashwath Narayan? How is it so easy to put up a Facebook post, and how it seemed like a pre-planned conspiracy? Because you see, the post is put up by the relative of a Congress legislator. You are saying another Congress leader has a direct role in it. And then SDPI is also planning this simultaneously. It can't happen that they put the post before and then later they all plan to come together. It seems like everything was planned and the script was unfolding.
Basically, the police are inquiring into the entire episode, how it has happened, what led to what things, and how it triggered, how they were able to get organized so well, even, burning the transformers, blocking the roads, organizing themselves, mobilizing such a big numbers. Within a few hours, they were able to organize. We are looking into all this entire thing, and we are inquiring and investigating to the entire episode, the conspiracies, the person who is involved, who is responsible for posting this post, and is a Congress worker, how all this unfolded. Entire episode is being inquired by the police department. In a few days, we'll come to know the entire thing.
Okay. Mr. Ashwath Narayan, appreciate you speaking to Republic TV. Now, some of the big takeaways I'm taking from this interview, and I'd like to, repeat once again. And tell me if I'm wrong. Direct role of the Congress and SDPI emerging. Direct SDPI role, man seen in the videos, is believed to be the main accused. And that you will recover the losses from these rioters. And that is something which is also available,
yes, sir,
in the laws. Is that correct?
Yeah, the Congress, the person who was posted is a Congress worker, and the people who are involved in the riot are SDPI workers. Most of them are SDPI workers, and the losses will be recovered by the people who are responsible.
Would you call it, okay, last question, would you call this a Congress SDPI conspiracy? Congress SDPI conspiracy?
We need to inquire into the conspiracy, and once the investigation is done, I can make a very clear statement. As on today, the person who has posted is a Congress worker and a relative of the Congress MLA, and most of the people who are involved in the riots are SDPI workers. These are the facts which I am sharing.
Last question, will you push for SDPI ban? Last question, will you push for SDPI PFI ban? Will you push for an SDPI PFI ban? There's been a long-standing demand.
Yeah, definitely. Yes, in this direction already required measures have been taken and we have initiated, and we'll look forward to this and we'll ensure the right process is set in and for the banning of the SDPI and PFI, sir.
Okay.
Because in the past also they were involved, the cases, they are involved in many of these kind of targeted killing, communal disturbance. They were even earlier, there were many cases against them. The Congress government had withdrew these cases against these SDPI and PFI. Many cases were there and it was withdrawn by the Siddaramaiah government.
Thank you for joining us with those details, Mr. Ashwath Narayan. That's the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, speaking to Republic TV with some key details, talking about the possible role of the Congress and SDPI. SDPI has been confirmed. We've seen that in the videos, but the role of the Congress, very interesting. We'll follow up and look forward to speaking to you in the next few days. Thank you. Thank you, sir.